Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn numbers. We will be learning the numbers using these cutouts. Let us get started. We will read numbers one by one. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 0. Let us remove one by one. This is 1. Number 1. We will remove number 1 from this cutout. This is number 1. Let us remove number 2. This is number 2. We have the number 2. Let us remove from this cutout. This is number 2. I hope kids you are liking. Do subscribe this channel. Let us start with number 3. This is number 3. We will remove the number 3 from this cutout. This is number 3. This is 4. Let us remove 4 from this cutout. This is number 4. Number 4. We will remove the small cutout so that we can see properly the number 4. This is number 4. What is this? This is 5. This is number 5. We have the number 5 in our hand. This is number 5. I hope you're liking this. What is this? This is 6. We will remove the number 6. This is 6. We will remove the number 6 from this cutout and remove the other small cutout so that we can see the entire number. We have the number 6. This is 7. Let us remove the 7 number and see the shape. This is 7. Let us remove this cutout. We have the number 7 from this cutout. I hope you're liking this. This is 8. We have the number 8 in our hands. This is 8. We will remove the number 8 from this cutout. We will remove these small circles and keep it aside. This is 8. Number 8. What is this? This is 9. Number 9. Number 9. We will remove the number 9 from this cutout. Here we have number 9. This is number 9. This is 0. This is 0. We will remove the number 0 from this cutout. This is 0. Thank you kids for watching this video. I hope you like it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.